So I made a cross out of horseshoes. If you want to make one of these, you need 11 horseshoes, 6 going this way, and then 5 going this way. And then if you want to put something on it, you get some long metal and it's about 22 inches measured. And I did this using a wire welder. It's pretty nice. You can stick it in the ground in your front yard if you want to. Maybe if the ground's not hard. There you go. That's how it looks in the ground. Please subscribe to my channel too. I'll be doing more welding videos and other videos on my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.